Welcome to BonziCart. Let's begin your step-by-step seller onboarding process. Before you begin your registration on BonziCart.com, please keep the following ready: address details, certificate of incorporation, identity proof, your signature in PNG format, and most importantly, your bank details to ensure a smooth registration process. Sellers can register either by directly visiting https://bonzicart.com/seller or by clicking the Become a Seller link on the BonziCart.com landing page. Upon clicking the link, you will be redirected to the Seller Onboarding page. Once you're on the Seller page, you can either click the Start Now button or the character icon on the right side to proceed to the registration page. Before registering, BonziCart recommends keeping all the required documents ready as outlined in our seller policy on the seller website. This ensures a smooth process and helps build a strong relationship with BonziCart. Once you're on the new seller registration form page, you must complete all the input fields as per the titles and instructions provided. After filling in the details, click the Next button to proceed. After completing the profile page, you must fill in all the details in the business information section. Here, you will need to upload your certificate of incorporation, identity proof, and address proof. Make sure all the information entered is accurate and matches the uploaded documents. Any discrepancies may lead to rejection by the BonziCart team. After completing the business information section, you will proceed to the shipping method section. Here, you must choose a shipping partner to handle the delivery of your goods or opt for self-shipping. By default, BonziCart provides a drop shipping facility for all sellers, covering pickup and delivery across Pan-India. On this same page, you are also required to select relevant product categories to help us better understand the nature of the products you intend to sell on BonziCart. In the final section, the account section, you must enter accurate bank details associated with your business current account. These details are required for the remittance of your sales proceeds.
Once you have accurately filled in all the required fields, click the Submit button to complete your registration. After submission, you will receive a success alert. Please read it carefully to ensure a smooth onboarding process. Our BonziCart team will then contact you to validate your details and guide you through the final steps of onboarding.
Now relax. Our team will stay in touch and communicate with you regularly to ensure a smooth onboarding process.